to our futures traders. Okay, we had a great move when we went long off of the bottom. We went straight up 8 days. We have that reversal. We undercut the 50-day. The 50-day was resistance, traders, but you can see the down day. Now, it's still the dog days of all this. Don't get real excited. Other than how to identify a change in trend or sentiment. That would be the way to look. And that only happens when we take a look at the CCI channel. It's only minus 20. And we have a crossover here. And we have no volume in the market. And these are the daily simple moving averages from that beautiful rally. Now that was on sale. None of these stock market, once you rally, they're not on sale up here. That's why we have to point this out to you. But we also have to point that when they're not on sale, they have to come down. And we've done extremely well. Once again, sign up for that futures trading room to the futures traders. We do it on all time frames, pivot points, entry, exits. Oh yes, sign up